With synthesis of isoniazid. Synthesis of isoniazid by only one way we will see. Then we will start with synthesis of PASA. PASA के लिए synthesis के दो schemes are there. Okay. First scheme, I mean the only scheme for isoniazid which we are studying now. The starting material is 4-methyl pyridine. See, this is the isoniazid structure. We have a pyridine ring, carbonyl group, NH2, that is hydrazide. Okay, it is isonicotinic acid hydrazide. So here look at the starting material, pyridine ring is there and there is CH3. Okay, so this whole thing is not there, CONH2 is not there. So this particular compound is called as 4-picoline or gamma-picoline or 4-methyl pyridine. This undergoes oxidation and अभी यहाँ पे O चाहिए ना, CO चाहिए. Okay, so oxidation, first step will be oxidation. So oxidation के लिए we are using here strong oxidizing agent, that is KMnO4. So because of which the CH3 will get converted to COOH, that is isonicotinic acid will form after oxidation. अभी हमें यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, CONH2 चाहिए. So COOH नहीं चाहिए. Okay, so OH नहीं चाहिए, so that can be esterified. So esterification can be done in acidic medium, that is acid catalyzed esterification, and ethanol, C2H5OH. So you can see here this C2H5 has got attached here and ethyl isonicotinate has been formed along with removal of water molecule. So this is acid catalyzed esterification. Then addition of NH2 hydrazine will give us the product isoniazid. This is the synthesis scheme for isoniazid. The next compound we have is PASA, that is para-amino salicylic acid. Okay, so for this, what is the starting material? See here, COOH NH2. So this COOH is already there, but at ortho position we have NH2. Okay, that is the starting material. We call this compound as anthranylic acid. The second scheme, in the second scheme you can see this is PASA and the starting material is metanitrophenol. So if you compare the two starting materials, see here, PASA we can synthesize from anthranylic acid also. PASA we can synthesize from metanitrophenol also. I hope that is clear. These are the two starting materials using which PASA, that is para-amino salicylic acid, can be formed. देखो यहाँ पे COOH है, only COOH है from this compound, और यहाँ पे कौन है, OH है. Okay, okay, at this position. So let us see how the compound can be synthesized. So first, this anthranylic acid, which is orthoaminobenzoic acid, which is also called as orthocarboxyaniline. So this undergoes nitration. These are the aero conditions for nitration, and then nitro group can be introduced here. See, both of them are as such. It is only the introduction of nitro group at this position. Then next, diazotization. This condition is used for diazotization, that is NaNO2 and HCl. NaNO2 and HCl will give HNO2 and that HNO2 will react with primary aromatic amines. This is aromatic primary amine. Primary aromatic amines undergo diazotization in presence of these conditions, that is sodium nitrite and HCl. Sodium nitrite and HCl will give HNO2. HNO2 will then further react here and this is formed. See, this COOH is as such, NO2 is as such, only the change is happening at the primary aromatic place. N2Cl, मतलब actually यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये this is N triple bond N Cl minus, और यहाँ पे भी रिंग है ना ये साइड में, so this is plus. So this is diazonium salt which is getting formed here. Okay, diazonium salt because of this diazotization. And then see, at the next step there is water also. So because of that water molecule, what will happen? This N2 will leave and HCl will also leave, and water में से जो OH है that OH will come and attach here. So it is COOH as such, NO2 nitration से आया था as such, instead of NH2 now it is OH. So NH2 से OH करने के लिए इसको पूरा निकाल दिया ना, so इसको निकालने के लिए diazotization. Then next step में there has to be reduction. Okay, देखो PASA में से ये दोनों भी आ गए, COOH is there, OH is there. Now only NO2 का NH2 करना है. So that means reduction. So this reduction is possible with this condition, that is SN/HCl, and we will get the para-amino salicylic acid from anthranylic acid. Now let us see second synthesis from metanitrophenol. तो मेटानाइट्रोफिनॉल में फर्स्ट स्टेप में रिडक्शन होगा विद द सेम कंडीशन SNHCl. यहाँ पे लास्ट स्टेप में रिडक्शन हुआ यूजिंग SNHCl. ओके, सो मेटानाइट्रोफिनॉल में फर्स्ट स्टेप में रिडक्शन हुआ, सेम NO2 से NH2 बना, यहाँ पे भी NO2 से NH2 बना था. ओके, नाउ दिस हैज़ बिकम मेटा-अमाइनोफिनॉल. अग्री, मेटा-अमाइनोफिनॉल. एंड देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप से डायरेक्टली पैरा-अमाइनो सैलिसिलिक एसिड बनेगा by carboxylation using Kolb-Schmitt reaction. Now this Kolb-Schmitt reaction is what? It's a reaction that produces hydroxybenzoic acid. देखो यहाँ पे COOH लाना है ना, OH NH2 OH NH2, और we have to introduce COOH here. So carboxylation. So it is a reaction, this Kolb-Schmitt reaction. It's a reaction that produces hydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, so basically it is for introduction of that CO2 group. Carboxylation के लिए either CO2 or K2CO3. Instead of K2CO3, even potassium bicarbonate can also be used. Okay, so using these conditions, this para-amino salicylic acid can be synthesized.